Now let's start off with a square. Now go down and get radius. This is perfecto. Next, size it up. And now, the ice cream truck's outside. Now, use the cylinder and twirl it around. Next, get another box and make it like the truck's back. But maybe I forgot to change the color. I'm changing my color to whatever I like. Gold. Perfect. Yellow. Perfect. Next, get a whole box and lift it up. Push it down. Well, that was, I didn't do it. Today's weather is hot. Next, get another clear box, change it to white, and change it to transparent. Lift it up. It's burning hot outside there. It's like wheels that you can use, but I'm using basic shapes. I'm just duplicating them. That's a little bit too much. I am still the duplicate one. Even though he works with shield. Can't he work with somewhere else? He just had to work with shield. Seriously, had to work with shield. Shield is like big. And why is he working with him? I'm just bored. Why do you work Tinkercad? I'm getting sunburned. Yep, totally I'm getting sunburned. You can see there's a clear white window. Inside there's nothing. Seriously. Totally. Now we've got a truck. Although I didn't put the front wheels. I put that way. Can't be. Oh. What is it? It can't be. The Avengers is Avengers. Seriously. But all this time I'm talking. But now you've got like this. You guys been watching, right? Right? Why can't be watching? Well, I'm using normal for the cylinders. I used a box for the back. Very big one. The radius to make it softer. The thing that they put on the front and the lights. I don't know what it's called, but you guys at least know. First, let's put that thing that they put in the front. That ding. You know that ding. Let that ding. I'm better change the color. Oh, that's yellow. I better change the color to blue. Which is not a perfect. Right. Perfecto. Next, get a box, lift it up, and put it up. And duplicating it 2 times. Ooh, that's perfect. Yep. There you go, there's a ramp. Next, we're gonna put the lights. You know, the cylinder lights. It's cylinder lights. Wow. Okay, that's not how people look. Totally not. I am duplicating it. So, at the other side, I can put it. Yep. This is where you got the lights and, you know, stuff. Lights and the thingy bob they put there. Thingy bob, here I come. Bye guys.